Hi everyone, welcome to Cache Walks. We're at an event organised by Tramyard, and afterwards we're off to Rangitoto Island.
Rangitoto Island is a volcanic island that erupted 600 years ago, so it's quite a new place. And the lava there is very rugged. It's called and it is if you try and walk over it. It's really sharp.
It is.
So we're hoping to get as many 4.5 terrain difficulty geocaches as we can in the time we've got on the island.
Come with us, see how we get on.
Well, we're up early this morning. We're in Auckland City in the CBD, down at the waterfront, and we're just heading along to the old Ferry buildings to meet up with everybody for the event. It's a nice walk along here in the morning, a bit foggy, but that should burn off. I think it's already starting to burn off. We're going to the new part down at the waterfront here. It's just been developed to give more pedestrian access to the water, and it's looking pretty cool. Auckland City Council has placed green-lit mussel beds here for a close-up look. And the ice cream place is down the end of this, I think. Hello everyone. Morning.
Hi.
Good. Oh, hi. Lynne, how are you? Everyone is ordering coffee, but there's wonderful ice cream here too. Okay, we're just putting on our masks. Although there's no COVID in New Zealand at the moment, we still have to wear masks on public transport. So masks are all going on around here.
There you go.
Good.
That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Morning. Thank you.
Then it's all aboard for the 25-minute ferry ride to Rangitoto Island. With this thick fog about, it may be a slower trip today. Auckland CBD is covered in fog and it looks like it's getting thicker. First time we've come into Rangitoto Wharf without being able to see the crater. Yeah, this fog is really strange. Here's what the view near the wharf usually looks like.
Thank you.
The group is splitting up here, as some are going to the crater on the summit. Hiya guys.
Hi. I think the mist's clearing.
Yes,
That's good.
it's clearing a little bit.
Yep.
Hopefully it'll clear by this afternoon. We're heading around the coastline in the direction of the lighthouse. There are 14 terrain 4.5 traditional geocaches out across the lava field. 13 of them are close by us today. Okay, we're on the road around the island and we've just reached the area where we can go into the geocache, or the row of geocaches. And we've got things like leather gloves with us. We need those because the rocks are so sharp. The lava is so sharp. And I'm going to take off my wedding ring and my watch and just make sure that they're away safe in my backpack so that if I do fall, I don't end up crushing them or breaking them. Okay, you ready to go, Lynne?
Yep.
Okay, let's head on for the lava.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Very carefully. Not sure if they're wobbly or not.
Yep, they're wobbly all right.
Yes.
This lava is quite difficult to walk on.
It does. Okay.
Lava is a jumbled pile of loose, sharp rocks hard to walk on. Pahoehoe is a smooth to ropey surface and easy to walk on. It's all lava here on Rangitoto. Bit of a climb.
Say that again. It's all right. Yeah, try and stand up. Oh, it's only 9 metres, 11 metres.
Okay, what's the hint?
Hold on. It's kind of straight ahead. Hint. Let's see. Hanging.
Okay, so it's hanging up there somewhere. Probably in the purakawa tree.
Yeah, but look how well it's spread.
Can you see the cache?
All right. Sign the log. 24th. It's only taken us about half an hour to do this one.
Well, we did have to put our gear on and everything, so it probably doesn't count quite.
Oh, no, I think that was the time that we were actually going on.
Oh no.
It's a bit like the maze, wasn't it?
Yeah. Rusty and Zed wrote a really good log here.
Oh.
How about reading it out, Lynn?
Look at it. It says, as I made my way, a rock that rocked took me down. I found myself falling slow motion, and with the weight of my pack, I got pulled down into a hole. Whilst I lay there in the lava, confirming nothing broken, just superficial injuries, I was thankful only light grazes, a bruised knee and hip, a cracked screen protector, and gouged cell phone cover.
Oh dear.
Whoa.
Fingers crossed. It doesn't happen to us.
Oh, we better be careful.
Okay, let's head on out.
On to the next one.
On to the next one.
Trouble is too, they move, don't they, the rocks?
They do move, so we've got to be really careful.
Yeah.
Having to turn my camera off and just use the GoPro on the chest mount. It's too hard to get across here without using your hands. How you going, Lynn?
It's tough going.
Sure is.
Really my idea of fun.
It's a lot of fun though.
Sure will be good afterwards. Time for rest and lunch if you can find somewhere to sit.
Asparagus sandwiches, all minced up. Yum. Look at those, don't they look delicious? Yeah, we've got a long way to go to this one. Okay, put on my gloves again. We'll head on to the next one. Right, here we go. I'm heading on to find more geocaches.
I'm heading back to the road. Who's that moving on the road behind these bushes? Oh, Mike. Ooh.
Oh, hello. I would never have seen that.
Yeah, Rick's gone on. Yeah, he's gone on. He's gone to get the other ones. I've given up. I'll end up falling and hurting myself, so I hope he's okay, but I can't do much about that.
I'm sure he'll give you a call if there's problems.
Yeah. Oh! Yow. Oh well. At least my fall. Yeah. It sure is. Yow. I was doing so well.
$157 meters to go, out over this. Okay, we're not far away from this cache, only a few meters. Keep your eyes peeled, tell me if you can see it. Woohoo! There it is, just down in there. Okay, let's get it out.
Yay, nice little one. Let's get it open. There's the logbook, all ready for signing. Here we go, GeoRick. Boy, this is winter and it's pouring off me on these rocks. It gets really, really hot and there's a lot of effort getting over them, even 150 meters, let alone 500 or 600 meters. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it on the video, but it's dropping, sweat is dropping off me onto my phone when I try and check how far the geocache is. Yeah, pretty tough going at the moment. Still good fun, a bit of an adventure. Okay, just 12 meters away, somewhere up in here. The thin space of tree. Can you see the cache? Nice cache with 3 pens, just in case you drop yours on the way up here. I'd hate to get here without a pen, and we're dropping our part tag. Yay!
Time to give Lynne a call to say I'm okay.
Hi Lynne, I got to it's picked up too and I'm heading back now. Okay, I'll see you in a little while. Okay, see ya, bye.
Now for the 470 metre walk back over the lava. I've just seen these. FMZ, a cache owner here, says that there were test firings during World War II by the guns across the water at North Head. My father was in the New Zealand Navy during World War II. He remembers being below deck on a harbour defence motor launch when he heard the Auckland 20mm cannon firing above him. He rushed on deck to find the captain firing up the side of Rangitoto. He reminded the captain there was a manned observation post at the top.
These little bits of shrapnel left over from World War II, from the shelling that took place here.
The other part of our group is searching for caches out on the lava. Tramping boots and tough gloves are essential. Long pants and long sleeve tops are a good idea. Walking poles are of no help on this rough lava.
You need to be very careful about the time, as the last ferry leaves the island at 4 p.m. A water taxi ride back is very expensive.
Even some of the big rocks can wobble about. Good luck in working out which one will move.
Boy, I'm breathing heavily. It's starting to get quite hot. Sure wouldn't want to do this in summer. Oh, that was close. That hurt. You certainly need good balance. Boy, it's easy to get overly confident. You think you've got it right, and you can tell which ones you're going to move, and then all of a sudden yay, made it. That was a great adventure. It was quite hard though. I took my glove off to check my GPS and my foot gave away from underneath me, so I got a little cut on my finger. But it's not too bad.
Yeah, it could have been a lot worse.
Could have been. If I had the gloves on, it wouldn't have happened. Yeah. Anyway, let's head off back. I thought I could feel my leg sort of being a bit itchy. That must have been when I took the tumble. It's not very deep though, they're just superficial scratches. It looks a heck of a lot worse than it is.
Yeah, but considering you had your long pants on, it's not like you had shorts on.
True. Glad I had the long pants on.
Rangitoto presently has 26 terrain 1.5 geocaches if you don't feel confident walking out on the lava.
Well, we made it back to the road. We're very tired. It was a really great adventure, but yeah, it wasn't easy out on that lava flow. We managed to get 2 4.5 terrain difficulty geocaches.
And I got one 4 difficulty and a half. I went halfway to the next one and then went on. But tough for me.
Yeah, great day though.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to go geocaching.